Hello guys, welcome to the Rangerpedia channel. In this video, I going to cover how to install Metasploit2 OS in VirtualBox of any call Linux or full in call Linux. So let's see. First, open your Oracle VirtualBox. I can already installed. You are not installed. You want to go to search how to install VirtualBox in call Linux. Then you want to install it. Then I can click new and to naming a operating system is like something Metasploit. I can choose Linux. I can choose other Linux 64-bit. Then I can click next. Yeah, having this error because you have already named it Metasploit 2, so I can rename it to Metasploit 2. Then I can next. I can choose my memory size. I can choose it. Okay, this correct one, and click next. Thereafter, you want to choose your virtual disk image. Then I can choose VDI and dynamically allocated space. And then it is the storage file, home Kali VirtualBox. Then I can create it. Yeah, finally we will create it. Then you want to go to settings by using of right click and click on settings. Then you want to go to storage. You want to go it. Then you want to choose the file. You want to click metasploit.vda. Then you want to this is primary master. You want to go to right click on it to create a virtual disk. You want to add the file. You want to click add. Then you want to I can save my download of Metasploit 2 in desktop. I can choose it. Then I can click OK and choose this file and choose it. Yeah, it will be converted to vmdk. Then I can click OK. Yeah, it will be finally done. Suppose you are not choosing your file correctly, it gives some error. That error like this fatal colon slash something like you are not choosing your bootable device, something like that error. So you want to choose it incorrectly. So okay, I want to start our operating system and click start. Yeah, VirtualBox 6.1. I have to start it without error. It will be loaded well. Metasploit 2 is a very good tool to testing purpose of hacking. So before that you want to choose a network and to connect it. Suppose you want to connect with your original Linux OS by using of wireless. So you want to choose Ethernet host only adapter will be used. Suppose you are having a multiple OS in a virtual box, you want to choose NAT network. Yeah, username is msfadmin and password is msfadmin. Yeah, it will be correctly opened. Then you want to type nano //var/www dot and you want to choose your file mutual date /config inc. You want to go down and you want to change it like wasp10. Suppose you are having a metasploit in this where you want to change it to a wasp10 and you want to control X to save it. Yes, yeah, it will be giving error not run it in a root terminal. So you want to type sudo nano slash var slash www slash mutilde slash config.inc and click and type your password msfadmin. I can already change it and click Ctrl X to exit and also saved it. So Ctrl A, I can saved it. So this very useful to connect your network and something like that. So okay guys, it is very useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to watch our hacking series. So thank you guys, keep supporting and don't forget to subscribe our channel.